Okay, so let's create our library management system. So let's move on screen directly. Okay, so now I'm here in my Figma. So I already create some wireframe and let it be loaded. Okay. So basically I just created these wireframes. One for dashboard and another one for book uploading, and so we need to enter book details. The next step is chapter uploading. After that, a final review and submission page. Okay, and then I have a review panel here. Like after submitting the book, it goes under the review section. So admin can see the review view here, with the book cover and titles, author, and some details. Also, here admin can click on a card and he got this page, details page. So now admin can look at the brief and depth of the book, what content they are providing, and here admin can also watch the content in a specific chapter or a book, complete book. So just admin need to click here and it loaded the PDF viewer here. So now if admin look here and find all the thing wells, so it can just approve it or admin can remove a specific chapter from here. Okay. So I just created these three panels for now. Okay. First one for dashboard and another one for book uploading and then the review panel. Okay. So now let me think. What should I do next? After reviewing it, what's the main thing to do? Uh, okay. So a library page. Okay. I got it. So let me just clone a page from here. I just duplicate it and move it downward and just rename it by library. Okay, so I also need to swap these buttons, tabs here. Okay, here's the title. And here, I think I'll apply a complete view with a specific filter option. You need to create a rectangle here. Should I create a filter like this? Here, maybe, or I just let it be go with the flow like this. Mm, I just create some difference in the color and give some radius. Okay, so I also need heading here for the books, like subject wise and some other. Also, I need a search bar here. So I just create a search bar wireframe here, like this. Okay, so now user can search for all the books here. Okay, so I just place it here and clone it. So, okay, yeah, that's cool. Now I just need to select all of them, group it, and again group it to make another category of books like this. Mm, Same for another one. Okay, like this. But for this, I prefer first of all I ungroup it and reduce the height like this, and came here, removing the border radius from these. Okay, still there. I need to swap it with 0 and enter. Okay. So basically, it's our library view page. Here, user can uh, browse all the books which are stored in our library. Okay. So next, what I need, like when a user click on a specific book, so what it should open. Maybe this looks similar. What I need. So I just move it here and rename it library book details. Okay, so basically what here is done now, like first of all, I just swap these tabs to showing the library tab is active. And here I need what? Uh, Here I can just increase the height of this, and let me just doing this. Unselect this. Sorry, my bad. I need to unselect this and move here. Okay. So here what we can see, like a book title, the book cover, also the read book page and details, also the chapters available. But here I can just read the chapters now. So I just need to remove this. So now I can just okay, I can just browse the book and use it. Here's two buttons placeholder. So what I need to do with these buttons is the book chapters, and what I can do with these, I'll adding a button for deleting the book, and other one is for let me think. For now, I just remove this. Okay, so after when a user click on the view book, so it also load like this. It's a chapter view for library chapter view. Again, I need to do the same thing. Okay, now here, okay, so there's a book title and the chapter title, the chapter content here. I use this chapter now. So what do I need here? I don't need these buttons here, so I just removing it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I just created another page wireframe here. Okay, now what should I do next? Just let me think. I think that's enough for wireframing. Now I need to let's build the UI. Okay, for this, I think